What's up, guys? Looking like shit right now. Uh, just got back from seeing my grandma in the hospital, and I wish her the best. I hope everyone else does too. On the other note, fucking Becks. And also for my subscribers that I do a little video. You might ask why I got fucking white tee on. Well, I don't know how messy this could get. Ah! Nah, nah, nah. Strictly for my subscribers. I'm gonna rip this off. Woo! The bleeding. That white stuff's paint.
All the games together, remember every little and every last goodbye. Promises you broke, words you chose on, and I never walked away. Still a mystery to me. Well, I'm so empty. I'm better off without you. You're better off without me. Well, you're
That's a scab win.
unclean. Well, I'm better off without you, and you're better off alone. The lying, the bleeding, the screaming was tearing me apart. The hatred, deceiving, disaster. It's over now. Paint the mirror black.
Look at that. I'm real safe and clean too because there's fucking paint on my elbow. It's late night. I just got back from the hospital.
Roses in the glass, dead and wilted. Till this all was nothing. Everything to you is nothing. Well, you're so filthy. Well, I'm better off without you, and you're better off without me. Well, I'm so ugly. Well, I'm better off without you, and you're better off alone. The lying, the bleeding, the screaming was tearing me apart. The hatred,
24-ounce Becks.
disaster, it's over now. Well, as wicked as you are, you're beautiful to me. You're the darkest burning star. You're my perfect desire. The bleeding, the screaming was tearing me apart. The hatred, deceiving, disaster. It's over. Lying, the bleeding, the screaming was tearing me apart. The hatred, deceiving, disaster. It's over now. It's over. Over now. Gucci. What's up, Corey? Back in the trap. Heavy, real heavy. It's so heavy, heavy, real heavy. Gucci, 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 Gucci. Heavy, real heavy. It feels heavy. Somebody help me. My neck hurt. My chain heavy, heavy, no heavy, flow heavy. Gucci bag full of cash. It's so heavy. Listen, I can't let it. I go get it. My ego getting too big. It's too heavy. My head getting too big. It's so heavy. Somebody help me. Sometimes this cash is too heavy. My bitch say every time she look up, I'm about to do a cook-up. I told her if she know like I know, she would shut the fuck up. Introduced on the soda and I said y'all need to hook up. I picked that white girl like a motherfucking hook. I took 300 out my stash and I went and bought a phantom. I need some toilet paper. I'm the shit. It needs